Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button and don't forget to like the video.
They say seeing is believing. I say seeing is learning. Welcome to Nreal Light. Let me guess, you love to watch in spaces like this or this. Go ahead, sit back, enjoy your flight. Want to get lean while checking memes? This is Nreal Light, and it helps you do all of that anywhere, anytime. It's our flagship AR glasses. What is AR? It's not as complicated as you might think. Let me show you. Jack's not the master at multitasking. Heather is, but it doesn't have to be like that.
Whoa, it's so big!
Yeah, that's right. It's a 220-inch IMAX size screen that fits right in your pocket. Let's say you want to get in shape, but also want to watch your favorite show on your smartphone.
Woo!
It doesn't have
to be like that.
Excuse me?
Here, trust me.
Really?
Oh yeah. Work.
Actually, wow! Everything on my phone is in front of me.
You got it, Heather. With Nreal's wide field of view, you can pin apps and be the queen of multitasking, all while experiencing cycling in a whole new way.
Glasses on, let's go.
Have a friend, or two, or more. Let them all join in the fun.
Yes! Woo! Pump it up! Let's go!
Learn more at nreal.ai.
Anywhere, anytime, right?
Well,
Learn more at nreal.ai. Now get out of here.